In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tables in Miro, a powerful tool that can help you organize your thoughts and ideas visually. Whether you're working on a project with your team or just trying to keep track of your personal tasks, learning how to effectively use tables can make your workflow much more efficient. So, let's dive in. First things first, open up your Miro board. You'll notice a range of options on your screen. Look to the left sidebar for the Tools, Media, and Integrations icon. This is where you can access various applications and features to enhance your board. Click on it, and a menu will pop up. Here, you'll want to search for the Table app. It may take a few seconds to locate it depending on how many apps you have, but once you find it, go ahead and select it. Now that you've got the Table app ready, click anywhere on your board. This action will place a default 3x3 table on your board. However, if you want to customize the size of your table before placing it, simply hover your cursor over the board. By doing this, you'll be able to choose the exact dimensions you need before clicking to place it. It's a quick and efficient way to ensure your table fits your specific requirements right from the start. Once your table is on the board, you might need to adjust its structure to fit your needs better. To do this, look for the plus icons located at the edges of the table. These icons allow you to easily add or delete rows and columns, ensuring your table accommodates the information you need to organize. If you'd like to resize them, you can also do that by dragging the edges. This flexibility means you can continue adjusting your table as your project or list grows. Occasionally, you may want to make further modifications to particular sections, like renaming, hiding, or deleting fields, which are essentially your table's columns. For these specific tasks, hover your cursor over the header of the column you wish to modify. You'll notice a menu appear. Clicking on this will present you with options to rename, hide, or delete that field. This feature provides a clean and customized look to your table by tailoring exactly what each column should represent or display. And there you have it. Using tables in Miro simplifies the process of organizing complex information visually, making it accessible and engaging for you and your team. Don't hesitate to experiment with these features to see how they can best serve your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to continue enhancing your digital workspace with Miro. Happy organizing!